Voila, our palm nut soup is almost ready. You came with a ladder. We were very much prepared. This is how everything got started. This is the palm nut. How we got the palm nut. After cutting it, we took it home and we prepared it by washing it thoroughly, making sure there's no particles in it. Then we cook it for roughly about an hour, and this is the result. Yeah, so we clean it again and we are about to pound it. The container you are looking at, we've improvised a 4-liter container which we've cut the top portion of it to use it as a mortar. Yeah, how to prepare it even without having a mortar, you can still prepare it. Just improvise. Yes. So we pounded it to the preferred consistency we want in the palm nut, and when we realized it's okay for us, decided to pour it and finish the rest of the pounding before we start extracting the juice from the palm nut itself. So this is the second time you are trying to extract the cooked palm nut juice from this palm kernel. So at first we did sieve the first one, but it looked as if the concentration in this water is still a little bit higher, so we'll be using it in the sieving this one as well to increase the volume of the soup. Yeah, so you can decide whatever quantity you want it, preferably if either you want the soup to be thicker or lighter. So for your own preference, how you decide to do it, it's all up to you. Yeah. So after everything, we finally sieve again to remove majority of the particles from the palm nut. This thing we are preparing. This is how we do it. The simplest way. This is how I do it. The simplest way. The reason why it's not coming out fast is that because there are a lot of particles still remaining in the juice, so we are trying to take care of it and extract only the juice without the particle, so that when you are eating the palm nut soup, you enjoy it to the fullest. Okay, so at this point, I have to make it fast so that I seal it properly without the particles entering into it again. And the ingredients I did put inside is we had a grinded spices, which is onion, garlic, ginger, all the local spices that you can have in your area. Just add it to it, and you, depending on the quantity, you put it into the soup. Let's say maybe 1 ladle or 2 ladle, depending on the quantity, so that when it boils, it will bring out the real taste and it will make it a little bit thicker. Yeah, that is how. Almost ready. You cut in your garden egg and cook if you like it that way. Yeah, the reason for doing that later is that so that it don't get too cooked and get mashed up in the soup. Yeah, voila, our palm nut soup is almost ready.